hit that next target. And I had mentioned on a break of this hidden primary trend line here off the 2018 lows would offer objective short trade entry on a break of that 327.27, and that's exactly what we got here. And nothing but a huge wave of stop sells and stops that got hit, margin calls, you name it. Good for a 51.26% crash here. And I have this divergent low, potential divergent low here with a potential bullish and positive divergences that could that could potentially construct here. But again, if we completely slam down below it, burn that divergent low and retest and test that 135.70 price support, if we take out that 135.70 price support, you can forget about any bullish and positive divergences that will just get completely burned through and go to ever more extreme RSI oversold conditions. And you do not want to see a break of that 124.14. Again, Michael Saylor on a break below 19,000 on a Bitcoin spot price will enact a huge margin call with Michael Saylor and will result in some pretty heavy selling. As you can tell, this huge stream waterfall are investors pulling out with huge outflows, and it's a nervous, there's stops being hit. Again, I talked about the volume map price indicator and how there is a ton of people trapped up in this price range, and a snap below that. This is nothing but stops when you see waterfall selling like this. But again, a huge break of that 124.14, huge price support, upper gap on a backfill too of 2020. In my opinion, that gets taken out and you're going to be starting to hear some headlines about bankruptcy in MicroStrategy. And that is when you'll start to see a huge chunk. That's for a second. We got a volume map price indicator here, but we have a huge chunk of investors that had bought at this price range right here. So they are coming dangerously close. You're talking about a huge 789% gain increase that they had, now down to almost break even. This is going to be a huge sell off if we can crack that 124.14. Watch that with all eyes. All traders will be all eyes on a 124.14 in a break of with conviction or authority on a solid red candle daily and or hourly to hourly close. In my opinion, on a break below that 124.14, you're going to see a rush for the exits like you've never seen before.